Hey everyone, today I thought we'd have a look at how to tie the Paracord snake knot bracelet. To make this one today I'm using two 1 meter lengths of paracord, and that's going to be enough to make a bracelet 16.5 centimeters long, and I used two different colors and fused them together. And the easiest way to do that is just to heat both sides up with a lighter and then just stick them together. And then, without trying not to burn your fingers, just gently roll it. And that should be sufficiently strong to make your bracelet. To start this one off today, we just want to take one colour a little bit lower than the other colour, so that when we form our loop it'll be one colour instead of two. Just looks a little bit better. And then we want to take our yellow strand, in this case, over the front and around the back of that loop, and then take the blue strand behind the yellow and over the front, and then down through that right hand yellow loop. And then we just want to carefully do this knot up so that we hide this fused section, and that our top loop is about 1 centimeter or so big. Just take your time to set this top loop, then tighten that knot up, and then we are going to repeat that procedure all the way down. So yellow over the blue and around the back, then the blue around the back of the yellow, around the front and down that yellow loop. Pull it through, then carefully tighten it up right against the knot that's above it. And it's the same knot pretty much all the way down the bracelet. Yellow over the front of the blue and behind. Then take the blue behind over the front, and then down through that yellow loop. Carefully tighten it up right against the knot above it. And I'll show you one more time, a little bit faster this time. Yellow over the front and around the back, blue around the back, around the front and through that yellow loop, and tighten it up. And then we just need to repeat that knot all the way until we get the bracelet as long as we want to get it. So once you get the bracelet as long as you want, the easiest way to finish it off is with a simple overhand knot as the button, and to do that you just form a loop and tuck the ends through the loop and then tighten it up. Or if you want to tie something a little bit more ornamental like this diamond knot, I'll leave a link on the screen here and you can learn how to tie this one. And then the last step is just to cut and singe the ends. So just cut them off, singe them with a lighter. And then that should be the finished product.